Travel life. When visiting Athens, Glyfada is definitely an area that is worth visiting. In today's episode, I will be walking through Glyfada, showing various places, so sit back and enjoy the show. What's up everyone, John from Travel Life, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the Glyfada area located in southern Athens. Glyfada is considered to be one of the best areas in Athens, so make sure you stay tuned to the video and watch till the end because I'm going to show you a lot of interesting things today. Glyfada is one of the most popular areas in Athens in general, located in the southern suburbs, or as many like to call it nowadays, the Athenian Riviera. Glyfada has a population of 89,605 people, according to the last count they made in 2021. If this place would ever interest to buy a house or anything, just know that the pricing is from 4,000 euros a square meter to 8,000. Located about 13.5 kilometers from downtown, Glyfada is an area that has a variety of cafes, clothes shop, electronic stores. Basically, you can consider Glyfada as the capital of the so-called southern suburbs, Athenian Riviera. And according to booking.com, hotels here price at an average of 140 euro per night at this given time in 2023. Right now, just so you know, it's April 2023 and it's actually April 1st, so I would say April Fool's Day, but no, I'm actually saying the truth today. And because Glyfada has a variety of things, sea, mountain, you name it, personally, because I couldn't find an official number of how many hotels are located in Glyfada, I personally used Google Maps and I counted 19 hotels in the Glyfada area. I'm sure there's many more options, but I'm always talking about hotels. I'm not referring to any Airbnbs and stuff like that. And since I'm new to this whole vlogging thing and I don't know really what's going on and I'm trying to figure it all out, what I'm discovering is that my beautiful camera here is running out of battery, so I'm just gonna go shop myself a nice power bank so I can always be ready, record all the footages I can for you guys. just as in any place, one thing I would like to ask from people kindly to do is, if you have any trash, please get rid of it in the trash bin. Now, me as Johnny here from Travel Life, my goal is to show you places and hopefully you will want to visit them one day. But let me tell you one thing. If you're a person who likes to litter around, I kindly ask that you never come and visit such a place. Because I'll tell you why. I'm sick and tired of seeing things like this all the time. How far is the trash can, dude? How far is the trash can? Today I'll give you a free ticket. I'll pick it up for you. And it's time that we stop being afraid of things. If you ever see such behavior from anyone, don't care about it. Tell him, what are you doing, man? Throw the trash in the trash can if you see anyone litter. If they try to give you an attitude, call the police. 100 here in Greece. That's the number for the police. You don't have to handle anything with violence. You just, I mean, but this is, you know, I mean, I don't want to. I mean, if you want in your own place at home to sit on, I don't know what you sit on, I don't care. It's your home. But out here, it's everyone's home. So you need to respect this area, bro. You got to respect that. And over here, for like, you know, so many years in Greece, they've been promising us a nice bicycle trail all the way from Sef Stadium, which is located close to Piraeus. So I hope you guys are enjoying Glyfada so far. Glyfada is situated about 27 kilometers from the airport. It's a beautiful area. It's considered one of the best. Don't look at this section here. This section, like I said before, is under construction. They are building, I mean, this is going to turn out very beautiful. To get to Glyfada, basically you can take from downtown, let's say take the metro line 2, the red line, and go all the way to Elliniko. And from Elliniko you can take a bus from there. There's several buses from there. In general there's a lot of info desks in the public transportation, especially in the metro. You could always ask for information there in case you don't have internet. And they also said that they're going to put Wi-Fi in the metro. So while on the Wi-Fi on the metro, Google Maps is always a good way to figure out how to get somewhere using public transportation. Another way you can get to Glyfada is, because I'm guessing you're visiting and you're not so much in a hurry, you could always take the tram. It's a bit long as a ride in general. Note that you're going to need to change from Syntagma. You're gonna take the tram to Daphne, and from Daphne you're gonna switch and take the tram towards Vula, and I'm gonna basically name the stops that you need to get off to be considered in the Glyfada area. But it doesn't really matter where you get off, because once at Glyfada you can just walk, you know, enjoy your walk around, see things, check out the boats. Yeah, I'm just pretending to be a YouTuber, guys. I'm actually looking for my boat. I can't find it. Where did that guy park, you know? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, and you're enjoying this stuff, please subscribe so I can get a boat one day. You know what I mean? Tell me if Glyfada interests you. Let me know in the comment section if it's a place you would like to see. If you've been here, if you liked it, let's start engaging with each other. Let's start interacting. Let's socialize. Now, according to YouTube analytics, I haven't really, I don't know exactly how it works yet, but it says that I have a couple people watching me from Chile, from India, countries such as these. I just want to say hello, guys. Hello to everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are, I don't know, watching. I'm very happy to have you on board the channel. And I hope that you guys stay, you find it entertaining. And I want you to always, you know, keep watching it. I hope it makes your day. What a coincidence. I found my old boat here. Fly me. Yeah. Number 2. The first one, you know, I was really young when I had the first one. The first one was a small model, the one that I used in my bathtub. It smells like that feeling when you're by the sea. It smells, you know, fresh. Check it out. Yeah, finally got that on cam. Seagulls. So, come on, man. Bring it back by 9, huh? I want my boat back by 9. What's up, buddy? Cat. Say hello. Have anything to say? Excuse me. Excuse me, Mr. Cat. Excuse me, can I have a... Please. Please, Mr. Cat. These cats. And this here is the Glyfada beach, which is okay to swim. So if you're in the southern area, because more you know, tourists with a higher budget usually choose to stay in the southern suburb area, like Vouliagmeni, Vula, etc. Glyfada basically is the center of everything. Recommend Glyfada only for the going out part, bars, cafes, etc. A really popular destination with that type of stuff. Coffee varies from 4 to 5 euros, let's say, at each cafe. Drinks are 10 and 11 euros. I don't know if you guys consider it expensive, consider it cheap. From a local perspective, prices are going up, and they're going up hardcore. I'm guessing everywhere in the world it's happening, but Greece is no exception. Prices are going up. Take a picnic, have a picnic with you. You know, you don't have to go to so many mainstream things. Enjoy things, enjoy your surroundings, embrace life. Again, I'm gonna say I hope you guys like what you see. So we are currently walking in the beach of Glyfada. That's also the tram stop, Paralia Glyfadas.